while you are listing all the numbers in a binary number system. So adding 0 to the left of it make all the numbers as 2 digit, because we know that 0 is equal to 0 0, 1 is equal to 0 1. That is, adding zeros to the left of numbers, adding zeros to the left of numbers does not change the number. Okay, that does not change the number. So you can add as many zeros to the left of a number. That is okay. Why I am adding 0 to the left of it is because now this is going to help me when I will get into 3-digit numbers, because we want all the possible 2-digit binary numbers after 1. So now we go for 3-digit. After 1 1, the next number in the binary number system is 3-digit number. So this will include now all this it will include it. So 100, 101, 110, and 111. After 111, the next number in the binary number system would be a 4-digit number. And how it would become easy for you if you have added. So I will ask you to add this. Now you will add each of this after this one. So it will become 0 0 0. You can add 0 here. Okay, 1 0 0 1. So you will add everything from here to here. Okay, so 1 0 0 1, 1 0 1 0, 1 0 1 1, 1 1 0 0, 1 this 1 0 1, 1 1 1 0, 1 and this 1 1 1. Okay, this is how it is. 0 1, then 1, then add 0 to the left, 0 1 1. Now 1, add all of it, 0 0 1 0 1, 1 1 0 1 1 1. Add 0 to the left. Now you need 4-digit number. Now add all of this after 1. So 1 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 1 0 1 0, 1 0 1 1, 1 1 0 0, 1 1 0 1. We have come up to this 1 1 1 0, and then this 1 1 1 1, and you can add 0 to the left, because the next number after 1111 would be a 5-digit number, and so on. You can have all the numbers in the decimal number system. If I have to do it for octal, so octal, it will be like something like this: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then 1. Give 0 to the left. Okay, now for this 1 you will include all of it, 0 to 7. So 1 0, so on 1 7. Now what you will do, now it will become 2, and then from 2 0 to 2 7, and so on it will go till 7 0 to 7 7. Okay, so after this, now you want 3-digit. So 3-digit, what you will do, you make all of it at 0, all this as 0. Why do you do that? Because now it will help you to construct a 4-digit number. So after 1, you will include everything in here, from here to here. You add it to this one, and then after 2, everything you add here, then after 3 and so on. So this is how you will do it. Okay.